Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today again an easy South Indian recipe. We are going to make this baby potato sambar rice. Nowadays we get these baby potatoes in the market. At home we are all very fond of this, whether you make it as a lovely roast or as an aloo matar gravy in any form. But when I bought this, or whenever I buy it I should say, I am reminded of my father. My father used to tell us a story of when he was a child. So this recipe goes back more than 75 years in time, I should say. He used to tell that maybe when he was in high school, they used to stay in Nagpur in those days. So the big joint family, my father, his parents, all of them went on a picnic to a place called Ramtek. So I think it had a small Ram Mandir and a small hill where they used to carry food with them and go and enjoy the lovely picnic. And when he related the story to us after so many years, I'm sure he could still get the aroma and taste of what he enjoyed. There was so much of enthusiasm in his voice when he told that how his mother made a large, those days we used to have these big containers with a handle which we call as thooku in Tamil. So a large thooku of this baby potato sambar rice, and they went to Ramtek, and of course all of them with small leaves on which it was served. He says the memory of that is something which always lingered with him. So today when I saw these baby potatoes, I said I must recreate this recipe for my viewers. For this I have taken about quarter kg of baby potatoes, peeled them and kept them in water. Also I have here 1 cup of raw rice, Sona Masuri rice, and this is about 1/3 cup of Tuvar dal. So we will wash the rice and dal and bring it back. Here I have soaked a small lemon sized piece of tamarind. We will extract the juice. In a pressure cooker, here I have taken 4 cups of water. This is the tamarind extract, about 1 cup of tamarind extract. Now add some turmeric powder, salt. This is 2 teaspoons of homemade sambar powder. Add in these peeled potatoes to it and wait till it comes to a boil. When the water is boiling well, we will add this washed rice and dal to it. Add 1 sprig of curry leaves to this. Now it has started boiling once again. Now cover it. So for those of you new to pressure cooking, always check if the steam is coming out through this. Then put on the weight and we will cook it for 1 whistle. Side by side while we are waiting for our sambar rice to be done. Here I have half a cup of Channa Dal. You can soak it overnight or soak it 2 hours before, or if you don't have time you can just add hot water to it and it will get soaked in an hour's time also. Now drain out the water. See, the dal is well soaked. Take it in a bowl. We are making Channa Dal Kosmalli. So here I have taken 1 cucumber, peeled it and we will chop it into tiny pieces. My elder son is very fond of Kosmalli of any type. So whenever we make it, we are reminded of him. Added the chopped cucumber to the soaked and drained dal. Now I am taking 2 green chillis. We will chop that also finely. Next, here I have a small piece of ginger which I have peeled. We will grate the ginger also and add to it. See, Kosmalli is generally a part of any festive menu also. When you have the typical food served in a banana leaf, Raita, Kosmalli, Aplam, Vada, Payasam, all form part of the meal. Of course, you can have it any other time because it's very healthy also. Add salt, mix all the ingredients very well together. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves on top. Finally, squeeze the juice of half a lemon on top. This is according to taste, depending on how much juice you get. Again, give it a good mix. And now we only have to do the tadka for this. A spoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds. A little bit of hing. Switch it off and add some curry leaves to it. Now pour this on top of your kosmalli. Our healthy and tasty Channa Dal Kosmalli is ready. We'll also fry some aplam or papad, whatever you have at home. Remember, we are going on a picnic, so you cannot manage a full aplam on your small leaf. So break it into small pieces like this and fry it. Now let's have a look at our rice. Our steaming hot sambar rice is done well. The potatoes are also well cooked. Just give it a good mix like this. Heat a tablespoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, just a pinch of methi seeds, 1 dry red chilli and half a teaspoon of hing. Switch it off and add some fresh curry leaves to this. I have transferred the rice to our serving bowl. Add some fresh coriander leaves on top and finally add this tempering or tadka to it. Our awesome baby potato sambar rice is now ready to be served. Finally, for added flavor, heat a tablespoon of ghee, melt it and add it over the sambar rice. You will get an awesome flavor. Now we are ready to serve out our steaming hot baby potato rice. A small point which I want to share with all of you is that cooking is not merely preparing meals, serving them healthy, tasty food. It is something more than that. It is about creating memories for your family. These are the things which we will hold very close to our heart. See, today I remember this story which my father told me maybe about 40 years ago about something when he was in high school. So add another more 30-35 years more to it. Then you can understand how these memories have been passed down from generations. And in fact, today when I remembered this, I spoke to my cousin. You all would remember Papu Akka. I made a video with her maybe a year or year and a half ago. Many of you enjoyed that video too. And because I couldn't remember the name of the location where they had gone for a picnic. And today Papu Akka is nearly 86. And she readily remembered and she said, Geeta, that was Ramtek. There used to be a Ram temple on top of that. I remember that very well. So that is how all these family ties and bonding is made of. So fill your life with affection and good memories. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.